Lesson 94, Word Processing in Excel. We'll take a look at a couple of techniques here. One, how to flow text into a certain range, or how to use text boxes, new in Excel 2007, with columns. Okay, so I have a report at the top of this worksheet, but at the bottom of the worksheet, I have some legal text. The lawyers make me put some boilerplate down here. This represents forward-looking statements, yada, yada, yada. And I want to make this fit into a certain range. Basically, I want to word wrap it. So I choose all of the text, plus enough columns to represent the area that I want to word wrap. So in this case, I want to make it a little bit wider. I'm going to go to the Home tab, and this icon is the fill icon. When I open the drop-down, there is something called Justify. So Home, Fill, Justify. It'll take that text and word wrap it so it fits in columns B through E. Now, if you're making the text more narrow, for example, we need it to fit in columns B through C, you're going to want to select extra blank rows beneath the data. Fill, Justify. And if you didn't choose enough, it'll let you know that text will extend below the range, and you can wrap the text. Now, one very serious gotcha here is that if any of your original cells contain more than 255 characters, the Justify command is going to silently truncate those at 255. This Justify command goes way back to the days when cells couldn't have 4,096 characters, and it's never been updated. Now, another option is to use a text box. So on the Insert tab, we can choose Text Box and draw the area that we want to fill. Now I have some text on the clipboard here. I'll do Control-V to paste. Interesting things in the text box in Excel 2007. Let me make the worksheet a little bit smaller here so we can see this better. If I format the text box, so Control-1 to format, there are now settings where I can say that I want to have the text box appear in columns. So I could choose 3 columns with a little bit of spacing in between. Click OK, click Close, and Excel will now take that text and fit it by columns into the text box. An amazing feature. If you needed to do a little bit of word processing, you could just simply build a text box and you'd be good to go. Let me go back to Format here, and on the line color, I could say No Line, click Close, and we should now have text without a box around it that appears as if it's just floating down there at the bottom of the worksheet. A great little feature using a text box or Fill Justify in order to make text fit a certain area. Well, I hope you found that helpful, and thanks for watching.
Looking to advance your career by acquiring new skills? Tired of expensive off-site training programs? Wish you could learn from the best instructors in the industry? Look no further than Live Lessons. Self-paced, personal video instruction by the world's leading technology publishers. Each live lesson comes with a DVD featuring 3 to 4 hours of instructor-led classroom training, sample program code that allows you to work along with your personal instructor, and an example-rich study guide. Live lessons allow you to watch the entire course from start to finish, or navigate directly to any of the individual lessons. You'll literally watch over the shoulder of your instructor as he shows you how to build state-of-the-art applications. Live Lessons, the power of the world's leading technology experts at your fingertips. To learn more, visit mylivelessons.com today.